A lot of times when we talk about investing, you hear that word risk, but I still think it's hard sometimes to understand what risk means to your retirement savings. In this episode, Sean and Lauren did a great job of not only outlining risk, they talked about why you should care. So here's what I learned today. I don't care if you're very savvy at investing or not. Here's what I knew before the episode. We all know the market goes up and the market goes down. But again, why should I care? How does it impact my retirement savings? So when it comes to risk, you've probably heard terms like moderate and conservative. Those get thrown around a lot. But what I learned from Sean and Lauren is those terms are very ambiguous, even subjective. So what Sean and Lauren do is when they sit down in visits with people, they talk in real numbers. They talk about portfolios. Maybe you've got $1 million in your 401k. Well, the market goes down by 20%. Here's what will happen to your 401k. Maybe it'll go down $300,000. That's the why you should care, but then what should you do about it? Well, there's a couple of things. Sean outlined some steps that you'll want to check out in the episode, but the next thing that Lauren and Sean do for people in their retirement planners when they sit down is they help you understand if that $300,000 is a number you feel comfortable with, or if maybe that's a number you don't feel comfortable with. Let's say you're not sure. Well, they look at all your other retirement income sources and then they help you decide maybe you can afford to lose $300,000 because of the amount of money that's in your IRA. They look at the whole picture and they help you make decisions based on your entire portfolio. So that was a really eye-opening conversation and part of what we talked about in today's episode. But you won't want to miss Sean's 3 action steps because there's nothing worse than learning something but then not knowing what to do about it. So Sean talks to you about if you're not sure about the risk and how you should look at your portfolio as you get closer to retirement, he's going to outline what you can do about it if you're not sure how much risk you're taking or you want to change the level of risk that you're taking in your portfolio. It's a great episode. You'll learn a lot, especially if you have a 401k. So maybe you learned enough from this short clip and you're ready to take the next step. So if you don't want to check out the episode, you could also attend our online Journey to Retirement workshop. We talk about 401ks in there, but that is a comprehensive look at retirement. There's a tax saving strategy. It's almost a 6-figure tax saving strategy that our retirement planners talk about. And then there's a section on Social Security, and there's an $80,000 Social Security saving strategy included in that online Journey to Retirement workshop. You can go to Merkle. You can go to actually retirewithmerkle.com right now. Sign up for a time and date that works for you.